Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, a look at radar this morning. We are dealing with some rain now, portions of Fayette County and back up a little further to the north here. Down to the south, it is dry at this point, but everybody's going to get in on some rainfall as we go throughout the day today. Some heavier rain right over parts of western Fayette County now. We still have some heavy rain back into Woodford County. Same story up into Scott County, dealing with that. Back into Franklin County as well, and now working into Bourbon County. A couple downpours over right along I-64 near Winchester as well, and we have a couple other downpours just to the south of Lawrenceburg, right on the county line there. But again, the rest of the area at this point is mainly dry. Now, back off across western Kentucky as we go back towards Paducah and points to the west. That is working in our direction. So we have rounds of rain kind of lined up one after the other. We will have some dry time in between things, but we're expecting multiple rounds of rain over the next few days. So we have this first one that's mainly impacting some of our northern counties at this point. And then this next one is going to be more widespread for a large portion of the area about midday or so. Here's the futurecast. It is showing some of that shower and storm activity this morning. And then notice by the time we get to about lunchtime or so and in through the afternoon, that's when we get this next round of some heavier rain and storm activity that continues in through the evening hours as it marches through eastern Kentucky. Then we get some breaks in the action, and then we get another round of rain and some heavier storm activity as well. And the potential is there for a couple strong to severe storms, and the potential is also there for some flash flooding. So that'll be what we're watching closely. So as far as rain chances go over the next several days, Friday and into Saturday is the best chance for widespread shower and storm activity. Sunday, some scattered storms are possible in here, and then the rain chances fall off into next week, and then the heat ramps up as we go into next week as well. So today we do have a severe outlook. Notice a level 1 risk for most of the area in green here. A few of our counties are under that level 2 risk, mainly back off to the west once you head in the direction of Louisville and E-Town there. But most of the area under a low end severe threat. So a strong storm or two is possible. However, most of the area going to really be dealing with the heavier rain potential and the flash flooding threat. That's what I'm a little more concerned about here. Notice level 2 risk for flash flooding in yellow, a level 1 risk across most of southern and southeastern Kentucky here in the green shading. So we'll continue to monitor that. Outside right now, temperatures are mild. 70 in Richmond, 68 in Lexington and out in Moorhead, 64 in Hazard, 65 down in Williamsburg. Today we're climbing to the lower 80s for those afternoon highs. Showers and storms, some of them could be on the strong side. Tonight we're down to right around 70, upper 60s here in Lexington. Some spots down into the mid and lower 60s. Rain and storms, some localized flooding is a concern. 7-day forecast looks like this. We have the shower and storm activity more widespread today and into tomorrow. Then the chance of some scattered storms on Sunday. And then look at next week. Sunshine, but it is hot and it is humid. Look at those highs in the 90s. And then those heat indices, or that feels like temperature, could be up near 100, if not above that. We'll be right back with your morning sports update next.